A blessed day, dear learners. Welcome to the enlightening experience that lies ahead. Today, we embark on a journey of discovery with the topic The Big Bang Theory, a detailed overview. Prepare yourselves for an enriching video that will not only educate, but also captivate your curiosity. Our goal is to make learning an enjoyable and memorable adventure. Before we begin, I'd like to emphasize the importance of your safety. As we dive into the wonders of science, remember to be cautious and mindful of your surroundings. May you always be blessed by the knowledge you seek, and the wisdom you gain. Thank you for joining Teacher Lumaban on this exciting expedition through the realm of physical science. Let's begin.
Commit your way to the Lord, trust also in him, and he shall bring it to pass. Psalm 37 verse 5.
The Big Bang Theory is the prevailing cosmological model that explains the early development and expansion of the universe. Contrary to the common misconception, the Big Bang was not an explosion of matter into space but rather the rapid inflation of space itself from an extremely hot and dense initial state. Ang Big Bang Theory ay ang umiiral na cosmological model na nagpapaliwanag sa maagang pag-unlad at pagpapalawak ng universo. Taliwas sa karaniwang maling kuro-kuro, ang Big Bang ay hindi isang pagsabog ng bagay sa kalawakan ngunit sa halip ay ang mabilis na inflation ng espasyo mismo mula sa sobrang init at siksik na panimulang estado. Key points. The nature of the Big Bang. The Big Bang refers to the expansion of space, not an explosion that pushed matter outward from a central point. It describes a rapid inflation that caused the universe to grow exponentially in a very short period of time. Causality and the singularity. The Big Bang Theory does not provide an explanation for the cause of the initial singularity, the point from which the universe expanded, or where it originated. However, the validity of the Big Bang model is not contingent on these explanations. Instead, it is supported by observable evidence that aligns with its predictions, making it a robust scientific theory. Ang kalikasan ng Big Bang. Ang Big Bang ay tumutukoy sa pagpapalawak ng espasyo, hindi isang pagsabog na nagtulak sa bagay palabas mula sa isang gitnang punto. Inilalarawan nito ang mabilis na inflation na naging sanhi ng paglaki ng universo sa napakaikling panahon. Causality and the singularity. Ang Big Bang Theory ay hindi nagbibigay ng paliwanag para sa sanhi ng paunang singularity, ang punto kung saan lumawak ang universo, o kung saan ito nagmula. Gayunpaman, ang bisa ng modelo ng Big Bang ay hindi nakasalalay sa mga paliwanag na ito. Sa halip, ito ay sinusuportahan ng nakikitang ebidensya na umaayon sa mga hula nito, na ginagawa itong isang matatag na teoryang siyentipiko. Historical background. Georges Lemaitre's hypothesis, the concept of the Big Bang was first proposed in the 1920s by Belgian physicist and priest Georges Lemaitre. He referred to it as the hypothesis of the primeval atom, or the cosmic egg. Fred Hoyle's coinage, the term Big Bang, was actually coined by British astronomer Fred Hoyle during a radio broadcast in 1949. Ironically, Hoyle was a critic of the theory and intended the term to be somewhat dismissive. Contributions of George Gamow. Physicist George Gamow played a significant role in advancing the Big Bang theory, particularly in understanding nuclear processes in stars and the creation of chemical elements, known as nucleosynthesis. Ang hypothesis ni Georges Lemaitre, ang konsepto ng Big Bang ay unang iminungkahi noong 1920s ng Belgian physicist at pari na si Georges Lemaitre. Tinukoy niya ito bilang hypothesis of the primeval atom o ang cosmic egg. Ang coinage ni Fred Hoyle, ang terminong Big Bang, ay aktwal na nilikha ng British astronomer na si Fred Hoyle sa isang broadcast sa radyo noong 1949. Kabalintunaan, si Hoyle ay isang kritiko ng teorya at nilayo ng termino na maging medyo dismissive. Mga kontribusyon ni George Gamow, malaki ang papel ng physicist na si George Gamow sa pagsulong ng Big Bang Theory, partikular sa pag-unawa sa mga prosesong nuclear sa mga bituin at sa paglikha ng mga elemento ng kemikal, na kilala bilang nucleosynthesis. The expanding universe. Concept: the Big Bang Theory posits that the universe began from an extremely small, hot, and dense point and has been expanding ever since. This expansion continues today, with the universe getting larger over time, potentially continuing to expand indefinitely. Konsepto: ang Big Bang Theory posits na ang universo ay nagsimula mula sa isang napakaliit, mainit, at siksik na punto, at ito ay lumalawak mula noon. Ang pagpapalawak na ito ay nagpapatuloy ngayon na ang universo ay lumalaki sa paglipas ng panahon na posibleng patuloy na lumawak ng walang hanggan. Supporting evidence. 1. Abundance of light elements. The Big Bang Theory predicts the abundance of light elements, particularly hydrogen and helium, which are observed to be the most common elements in the universe. 2. Redshift. Edwin Hubble's observations of the redshift in the light from distant galaxies indicate that these galaxies are moving away from us, suggesting that the universe is expanding. 3. Cosmic microwave background radiation, discovered by Arno Penzias and Robert Wilson in 1965, this faint microwave radiation is considered the afterglow of the Big Bang, providing strong evidence for the theory. Abundance of light elements. Ang Big Bang Theory ay hinuhulaan ang kasaganaan ng mga light elements, partikular na ang hydrogen at helium, na sinusunod na pinakakaraniwang elemento sa universo. Redshift. Ang mga obserbasyon ni Edwin Hubble sa redshift sa liwanag mula sa malalayong galaxy ay nagpapahiwatig na ang mga galaxy na ito ay lumalayo sa atin, na nagmumungkahi na ang universo ay lumalawak. Cosmic microwave background radiation. Natuklasan ni Arno Penzias at Robert Wilson noong 1965, ang mahinang microwave radiation na ito ay itinuturing na afterglow ng Big Bang, na nagbibigay ng matibay na ebidensya para sa teorya. Stages of the Big Bang Theory. A. Initial singularity. The universe likely began as an infinitely hot, dense point known as a singularity, containing all of space, time, matter, and energy. At this point, there was no space or time outside the singularity, only nothingness. B. Inflation. Following the singularity, the universe underwent a rapid expansion known as inflation, during which space itself expanded faster than the speed of light. During this phase, matter and antimatter particles, such as quarks and antiquarks, formed from energy but often annihilated each other back into energy. C. Cooling and plasma soup. As the universe expanded, it cooled down, allowing for the formation of particles such as electrons, protons, and neutrons. These particles existed in a highly energetic plasma soup, where photons, light particles, were constantly scattered. D. Recombination. Eventually, as the universe cooled further, electrons began to bind with protons and nuclei to form neutral atoms. This process, known as recombination, led to the release of photons, allowing light to travel freely through space. This period is often referred to as the Dark Ages. A. Formation of stars and galaxies. Gravity caused atoms to collapse and clump together, forming stars and galaxies. This process continues today, with space expanding at an accelerating rate, increasing the distance between celestial bodies. Initial singularity. Ang universo ay malamang na nagsimula bilang isang walang katapusang mainit, siksik na punto na kilala bilang isang singularity, na naglalaman ng lahat ng espasyo, oras, bagay, at enerhiya. Sa puntong ito, walang espasyo o oras sa labas ng singularidad, wala lamang. Inflation kasunod ng singularity, ang universo ay sumailalim sa mabilis na paglawak na kilala bilang inflation, kung saan ang espasyo mismo ay lumawak ng mas mabilis kaysa sa bilis ng liwanag. Sa yugtong ito, ang mga particle ng matter at antimatter, tulad ng mga quark at antiquark, ay nabuo mula sa enerhiya ngunit madalas na nilipol ang isa't isa pabalik sa enerhiya. Paglamig at plasma soup habang lumalawak ang universo, lumamig ito na nagpapahintulot sa pagbuo ng mga particle tulad ng mga electron, proton, at neutron. Ang mga particle na ito ay umiral sa isang napakalakas na plasma na sopas kung saan ang mga photon, mga light particle, ay patuloy na nakakalat. Recombination, sa kalaunan, habang lumalamig ang universo, nagsimulang magbigkis ang mga electron sa mga proton at nuclei upang bumuo ng mga neutral na atomo. Ang prosesong ito, na kilala bilang recombination, ay humantong sa paglabas ng mga photon na nagpapahintulot sa liwanag na malayang maglakbay sa kalawakan. Ang panahong ito ay madalas na tinutukoy bilang madilim na edad. Pagbuo ng mga bituin at kalawakan, ang grabidad ay nagdulot ng pagbagsak at pagkumpol ng mga atomo na bumubuo ng mga bituin at kalawakan. Ang prosesong ito ay nagpapatuloy ngayon na may puwang na lumalawak sa bilis na pabilis, pinatataas ang distansya sa pagitan ng mga celestial na katawan. Sequence of events. Isa. Initial state, the universe began with only energy and the four fundamental forces, gravity, the strong nuclear force, the electromagnetic force, and the weak nuclear force. Dalawa. Separation of forces, as the universe cooled, gravity and the strong nuclear force separated from the other forces. Tatlo. Rapid expansion, the universe expanded rapidly from a size smaller than an atom to the size of an apple in a fraction of a second. Apat. Formation of forces, the electromagnetic force and the weak nuclear force separated, resulting in the four fundamental forces we observe today. 5. Big Bang nucleosynthesis, the first atomic nuclei, primarily hydrogen and helium, formed through nuclear fusion, marking the end of the radiation era. 6. Matter era, as the universe continued to expand and cool, matter began to dominate over radiation. Hydrogen atoms formed, leading to the creation of all other elements, and the seeds of galaxies started to take shape, eventually forming stars and planets. Initial state, nagsimula ang universo sa pamamagitan lamang ng enerhiya at sa apat na pangunahing puwersa, gravity, ang malakas na nuclear force, ang electromagnetic force, at ang mahinang nuclear force. Paghihiwalay ng mga puwersa, habang lumalamig ang universo, humiwalay ang gravity at ang malakas na puwersang nuclear sa iba pang puwersa. Mabilis na paglawak, mabilis na lumawak ang universo mula sa sukat na mas maliit sa atom hanggang sa laki ng mansana sa loob ng isang bahagi ng isang segundo. Pagbuo ng mga puwersa, ang electromagnetic na puwersa at ang mahinang puwersang nuclear ay naghiwalay, na nagreresulta sa apat na pangunahing puwersa na ating nakikita ngayon. Big Bang nucleosynthesis, ang unang atomic nuclei, pangunahin ng hydrogen at helium, na nabuo sa pamamagitan ng nuclear fusion, na minarkahan ng pagtatapos ng panahon ng radiation. Matter era, habang patuloy na lumalawak at lumalamig ang universo, nagsimulang mangibabaw ang matter sa radiation. Nabuo ang mga atomo ng hydrogen, na humahantong sa paglikha ng lahat ng iba pang mga elemento, at ang mga buto ng mga kalawakan ay nagsimulang magkaroon ng hugis, sa kalaunan ay bumubuo ng mga bituin at planeta. This detailed understanding of the Big Bang Theory highlights the complexity and ongoing nature of our exploration of the universe's origins. The theory continues to evolve as new evidence is discovered, helping to refine our understanding of the cosmos. Ang detalyadong pag-unawa sa Big Bang Theory ay nag-highlight sa pagiging komplikado at patuloy na katangian ng ating paggalugad sa mga pinagmulan ng universo. Ang teorya ay patuloy na umuunlad habang natuklasan ng mga bagong ebidensya na tumutulong upang pinuhin ang ating pag-unawa sa cosmos.
I can do all things through Christ who strengthens me. Philippians 4 verse 13.
I hope you enjoyed and learned something new from our topic about physical sciences, lecture notes. If you learned something from this video, please give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to share this video with your friends. If you have comments, questions, or suggestions, you can leave a message in the comment section below. Thank you very much for watching my videos. Hoping that we meet again in my next video, and God bless you always. It is the Teacher Lumaban YouTube channel.